G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Don't know which field it is. I believe it possibly could be up near Opalton, near Mainside, but no guarantees. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. Basically these are seams of opal. You'll need to grind down one side, probably this side, so you end up with a convex stone. It's the first piece. The colour on the end there. Second piece. Maybe just grind that into a pendant type shape and just use the opal running through it. Probably doesn't go very far, that piece. This piece has a bit more potential with going right through. See the nice blues there. Seems to pop out the back there. Lucky last, I've just thrown this piece in. Colour bar here, runs through, peters out this side, similar on this one. Very thin, but still might end up a stone, don't know. But like I said, I've just thrown this piece in. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.